Okay, another big win for Rockstar Games. At least the first award won't be so lonely now. They'll look hot together. All right, I'm afraid I've got to put my serious hat on now because we've reached the big one, the closer. This is the final award of the night. Yes. And I'm not going to lie, I didn't realize that they were having me present this. I thought surely they would get someone more important than me, but no, it's just me. All right, I am talking about our most coveted award, the Ultimate Game of the Year, presented by Games Radar. But we can't just roll straight into it. The Video Game Awards Show Handbook explicitly states in line 26.1 that we got to tee this thing up in style. So I would like to welcome back to the stage the legendary crew who performed Golden at the top of the show. They are back with a medley of tracks from all of our Ultimate Game of the Year games. And you gotta listen to it. All right. This performance will be anything but serious? No, yes, very serious. This is serious work we're doing. Right, serious hat, serious mode. Here, yikes, are your nominees for Ultimate Game of the Year performed by the Sonaris Ensemble.
Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. Ghost of Yote. Death Stranding 2 on the beach. Blueprints. Split Fiction. Claire Obscure Expedition 33. Hollow Knight, Silk Song. Kingdom Come, Deliverance 2. Silent Hill F. Donkey Kong Bonanza. Hades 2.
Hello. Please, friends, another round of applause for our exceptionally talented musical guests, Sonorous Ensemble. We love you guys. Thank you. Yay. Right. As you can see, I am now joined on the stage by Sam Loveridge, brand director at Games Radar, who is here to help me reveal the winner of Ultimate Game of the Year. Hey, Sam.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Shall we start by looking at the top 5? You got lines? Oh, you got lines.
Yes, let's. Good. It's going so well. Ah!
Isn't she great, though? She's so great. So great.
Right, do your bit now.
Yeah, that's it. Top 5? Yeah?
Bueller.
Ultimate Game of the Year. In 5th place, it's Death Stranding 2 on the Beach. In 4th place, we have Hollow Knight Silk Song. In 3rd, it's Split Fiction. And in 2nd place, it's Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. But the winner of Ultimate Game of the Year is
the winner of this year's Golden Joystick Award for the ultimate game of the year is Claire Obscure Expedition 33!
Please welcome your 7-time winners, Sandfall Interactive, to the stage.
Okay, I will start by, I want to share an experience by everybody in the studio, who's, by the way, they are with us on Discord right now. So first, thank you to all, everyone at Sandfall. They are just in this telephone right now, so thank you to all of them. Thank you. And we know we are lucky enough to experience all of this. So we just want to share a deep feeling that we all have at Sandfall right now, like since the release, is what the fuck is happening right now? It's been an unbelievable year for us. Like, we still don't really fathom everything that's going on. But I just want to say a massive, massive, massive thank you first to all the formidable people who worked on this game at Sandfall Interactive, but also a huge thank you to all the players around the world who voted for us. We see all your fan arts, we see all the cosplay, yeah, even the weird fan arts, we see all of them. And we love the cosplays, we listen to all the covers, and we do, like all of us do, and it's been incredible. Like, really the most wonderful year of our lives, basically. You changed us as people, and you changed our lives and the future of the studio, so just a very humble and very, very, it comes from the heart. Thank you to the players. Thank you so much. Thank you, and have a good night. It's a bit cheesy, so I will not end with for those who come after, but tomorrow has come, and it was a beautiful day, so thank you.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins for Claire Obscure. Massive, massive congratulations to Sandfall Interactive, as well as the winners and nominees who've been celebrating here today. You are all breathtaking. Alas, it does mean that we've made it to the end of the show, but not without some thank yous. We have got to applaud the hardworking team who put this event together, as well as our incredible sponsors. The folks at home for tuning in and casting millions of votes. And who could forget the beautiful people who joined us in the room today? Yeah, give it up for yourselves. Why not? Yeah. Remember, if you would like to wish list or play any of the games featured today, you can head to the dedicated Golden Joystick Awards page on Steam. You'll also find recaps and plenty of follow-up coverage in the coming days on the FGS YouTube channel and GamesRadar.com. Well, I've been your host, Maggie Robertson. Thank you. This has been an absolute blast. My palms are sweaty. Knees weak, arms are heavy, vomit on my sweater already, mom spaghetti. I'm fine. Thank you for watching on that note, and I will see you at next year's Golden Joystick Awards.